Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can download any video from Alibaba. This is a free method, so you don't really have to pay for subscription or anything like that. Now you just need to search for the video that you want to download from Alibaba. Now I'm going to search here because like most products here don't have video. I'm just going to search here in the search results for video. Okay, and after that, this is a product with a video. Okay, I'm going to click on this product to see if the video is available in this product here or not. Okay, this is the video. As you can see, this product has a video. Now to download this video, you just need to open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Okay, you want to search for Chrome Web Store. After that, you want to search here for download Alibaba video. Okay, by the way, there are a lot of extensions that will help you download Alibaba videos. Now if you are watching this after like 1 year or 2 years, just click on any extension here. Now the one I like is this one. It's called Ali Media AliExpress video download. Click on it, and then you want to click on add to Chrome. Click on add the extension. Okay, that's all you need to do, guys. Now you want to go back to the product page and make sure you reload the page. Just reload it, and here you will be able to see a lot of options here that will allow you to download, for example, images, to download Alibaba video. Now as you can see, main images, you can download images. Just click on images and it will download all these images. But if you want to download video, click on product video. Okay, so just click here on product video. Now if it doesn't work, click on it again. If it doesn't work, click on it again. Okay, until you download the video. Now I'm going to click on the video. Okay, we have downloaded the video successfully. I'm not playing it because of the copyright. If this one helped you guys, please drop a like and let me guys in the comments if it works. That would be highly appreciated. It will help me guys with YouTube algorithm to make this video more like searchable. See you guys in the next tutorial.